I'm done with this bouncer. Oh look, added on a minute. Clever. Not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You know what, let's just leave it as 10, yeah. So it's already slowed down. Because it was the first thingy. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, of course. Don't take an actual rubbish machine. Why can't we just get a Bosch? What the hell was the point of that? Oh my god, I'm done with this machine. Hope it dies. Hope it self-destructs. Hope you die in a sewer, Rebecca. Actually, no, I hope you die in a brick. Do you feel happy eventually? Probably. Look, if you don't spin that, you actually have issues. It's going to be doing a burst as well. It's not even going to do its full spin. Finally, you have some common sense in you.